Hello, I've got another delivery of mini discs here from eBay. Not the ideal packaging, just a bit of paper and some tape wrapped around the storage box. The paper is a bit thick. I think it's an envelope. Looks like they've wrapped it in an envelope. I'll be careful I don't show any addresses or anything on this. Yeah, this is a duplicate of one I've already got. Is that broken? Look, it's broken. You hear that rattling? What? Some people. Right, I'm going to send that back. That's just not good enough. I bought it because it had a box and the mini discs I like, but the box is broken in transit because of poor packaging.